Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the monitor is on and showing the active input. That prevents false troubleshooting. Next, press the monitor's physical menu button or joystick, not software controls yet, because power-save settings live in the on-screen display. If menus differ, note the model number so you can find the correct menu path. Once the OSD appears, navigate immediately to the main settings or system section. Make sure you move through menus steadily to avoid auto-exit. You now locate the power-related submenu. Look for System, Power, Energy Saving, or Eco labeled entries because manufacturers use different names. Once inside, identify specific toggles: Power Save, DPMS, Deep Sleep, or Eco Mode. These control signal detection and timed sleep. Use the joystick or arrow keys to select the option, then press OK to toggle it off. After switching off, confirm related timers are disabled or set to a very long interval. You finish by saving and exiting the OSD. Many monitors require an explicit apply or save action, so don't skip that step. Then test. Keep a stable video signal active for 5 to 10 minutes to verify the monitor stays awake. If it still enters power saving, make sure cables and source are sending a proper signal, disable host PC sleep settings, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset on the monitor. If problems persist, the hardware or firmware may need support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.